Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zoom in a video on CapCut application or website. So all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser. It could be possibly working for you. So once you actually opened your browser, just go here to the URL, type CapCut.com and hit the enter button. So of course, once you did that, you will not find this option if it's your first time. You will find two options. At the right one, you will find how to actually, or not how, you will find an option to download it on your PC, of course. And of course, if you are interested, you'll find a video on this channel on how to download it correctly. So just go and check it out if you're really interested. Or you can just go and hit the left option, which is how you can actually use it through a browser. Of course, again, not how. If you just click on it, you will start using it on your browser. And before start using it on the browser, you will need to log in into your account. And of course, if you don't have an account, you will need actually to create an account. You can even create your account with a Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So once you actually sorry, so I just had an interruption. So anyway, so once you actually open your or log in into your account, just go and hit the black canvas, or you can just choose one of the recent projects you maybe edit. For me, I'm just going to click at black canvas. And from here, you'll need to wait until it loads for a bit of time. Of course, if you already have it on your phone, or sorry, on your PC, you will not need to wait anything. You will start working correctly or directly. For me, I'm just going to upload now my file right here. And then once you upload your video, just go and drag it here to this editing area. So once you drag it here, just go and click on it once, and from here you will have an option here to zoom in or to zoom out. So of course, if you like, make it or make it bigger. As you can see, you will zoom in. If you go back, you will zoom out. Of course, you can even like move the video wherever you want. Then once you finish, just go and hit the export button. You will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.